Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I'm not buying any more dolls. Oh, wait a minute, I did. The mailman, we just got back from Walmart. I mean, I'm still putting stuff away, and the mailman's knocking at the door, and I'm like, Darren, it's the mailman. He came in with this package. I'm like, oh, let's do a box opening. He's like, now? I'm like, right now. Okay, so I am expecting some Blythe dolls. I keep saying I have cut back on buying dolls, and I have. These take a very long time to get here. I think this is what this is. And I bought them for a purpose. I have been doing a lot of collabs and challenges and putting challenges out to the doll community or anybody that wants to do it on YouTube. And so I bought some dolls because the challenges have been using my dolls up. And once they become that character, they kind of stay that character. So before I used up all of my Blythe dolls for characters, I decided I would buy some to be characters. And because this is so much fun working with, well, all of the people that I work with on collabs, what a great bunch of people. But Tammy, Powley, and I of Peace Craft
Dolls.
Peace Craft Dolls have been doing, well, this is an odd pack. Not what I expected at all. This one, I think, is from Darren. I'm pretty sure it, oh my God, Darren, you bought me all four? I was looking at, I love these Blythe dolls. I love these Blythe dolls. I did not expect hands and more faces, but woohoo! And I was looking at 4 Blythes, well, 3. Uh-oh, that can't be good.
Ouch.
Yeah, ouch indeed. And here's another leg. Never got extra legs before, so that kind of bothers me. Anyway, I was looking at these 4 dolls on AliExpress, and I said, oh, and that one's eyes look funny. Hopefully it's just a click off. I said I want to buy one because I want to dye half of its hair purple. I have this purple dye I bought for a 38-inch Barbie doll, and I'm kind of chickened out. I mean, her hair is nice, and I put it off and kind of haven't done it. Well, okay, this one has legs. Yay! I love these dolls. I have a doll like this. Okay, I have 2 dolls like this. 3 if you count the ones that doesn't have bangs, because I love them. But I wanted a doll. Let's click her eyes on camera so that if there's a problem. Okay, I think it was just, uh-oh. Oh, that was my fault. Okay, yeah, that's just fine. Blythe dolls have these eyes. There are 2 that look forward and 2 that look each direction. And they change color with each click of the pull string. They have these great big heads and these little bodies, and they are so whimsical. And these dolls from AliExpress come with the most beautiful, thick, fun hair. I'm in love with these dolls. I just love these dolls. But I also would like to get into, like I said, I want to do one of them's hair half purple. So I'm going to try that. So I asked Darren to buy me, I was deciding between these 3, and I was looking at her because I like her. And I said to Darren, oh, I can't decide. I'll tell you what, pick one out for me. Well, he bought all of them for me. Thank you. All right, let's open this girl because she doesn't have legs, and I am not happy about that. We did buy these dolls when they were on sale. but it doesn't mean they should come broken. Don't misunderstand what I'm saying. I do save all that. I like the face protectors that they come with. Maybe they need leg protectors too. Her legs are broken, and they might snap back together. I don't know. I think we should take a picture of that, stop the camera and take a picture and contact the seller on that one before we try to put it back together.
Got it.
You got the photo? Oh, okay. So I'm going to leave her sit and let Darren look at it. I am heavy-handed. I force things. Oh my, I swear she has doubly thick hair. Can you see how thick that hair is? I mean, that is some thick hair. Thick hair. I hope these snap back on. But in the meantime, let's keep a happy face because 3 out of 4 ain't bad. Ha ha. Okay, we went ahead and unwrapped all the dolls, checked everything, checked their eyes. I'll tell you, these are some of the best eyes I've ever gotten. They're sitting really well and they're clicking like a dream. I mean, just click, click, really fast, easy, nice, smooth. Everything's fine. Darren was able to get the legs back on. I figured he could, but we wanted to make sure before we went any further. And they feel tight and right. I mean, that's okay. We're good. But there's 2 more packages. Let's open these up because they're probably doll related. I don't know. Do I ever get anything else besides for Katie, my Yorkie in the mail? Oh, these are tiny overall. You put ribbon through that to make overalls. That's really cute. So we got that. Let's see what's in here. I ordered some shoes. That's what this feels like. Let's see what we did get. Yeah. Yep. I ordered these black shoes. Let me open one and show you. When I send a little dress to somebody for their Blythe doll, especially if they're new to Blythe, I don't know if they have shoes or if they have black shoes. And so I send them a little pair of these rubbery shoes. I clean them up a little bit. I run a wipe across them. And it just makes a nice gift. And then if they don't have shoes, they can use these till they get something better. Or my dolls wear these. For my little Daisy doll, I took a little V out of the back and I stitched it real tight. And that's what she rides on my bicycle. And we go through a lot of, we're on the Katy Trail, so it's quite rocky ride. And we haven't lost a shoe yet, but if we do, I do have replacements. So that's what I got today, and I am so pleased, and I am so pleased with my husband once again. God love you for being so supportive. I have dolls all over the house. I do not count my Blythe dolls, but one day I will get the shelves set up so you can take a glimpse of all of my Blythe dolls. I do have more coming. I actually thought that these were another type of dolls that I have, Blythe, but the less expensive ones that I had bought to become characters. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel, where the lady is so smitten with the Blythe dolls that I can't stop buying them. I can't. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.